Hello students, welcome to computer class. So as if now we have learned about many things, many features, many tools of MS Paint. We have learned how to add the shapes, how to add text, how to edit the MS Paint. We have learned many things. We have learned how to use the editing tools like cut, copy, paste. Again, we in the last lecture we have learned how to use the select tool, how to select an content, select a picture or select a shape from MS Paint drawing, right? So now we are going to learn a new point, that is using the resize tool. So how to resize your shapes or anything that you are using in your MS Paint drawing. Okay, so let's start with the 4.8 on page number 31 using the resize tool. Draw a star using the shapes group. So first you need to choose a star shape from shapes group. Then select it using the select tool that we have learned in the last lecture, that is select tool. With the help of select tool you are going to select the shape of star. Click on the resize button. The resize and scale dialog box appears as shown in figure 3.19. You need to click on resize button, then you will have this kind of dialog box on your screen. Enter the desired numbers to resize and scale the image and click on OK when you are done. Here you can see, students, we have an options that you can type how much you want to resize the shape. Okay, so here they have shown us that you can resize your shape in horizontal or vertical, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so after inserting value into this, after that you are going to click on okay. This is how you can resize your shapes. Again, if you want another option is you can, when you are directly using in shapes, you are inserting shapes into MS Paint drawing, that time only you can drag the mouse and you can change the size of your shapes. Okay, so these are the two types. With the help of you can resize your shapes. Okay, now turn your page on page number 32, 4.9 using the rotate tool. So now we have learned how to select the content from MS Paint. Then we have learned now how to resize it. Now we are going to learn how to rotate them. Rotate means what? उसे घुमाना कैसे, ठीक है, उसका डायरेक्शन पोजीशन चेंज कैसे करनी. The rotate tool lets you rotate or flip the image. Let us now rotate the star. To do so, you need to do, first of all, whatever tool you are using, you need to just first use an select tool. आपको पहले select करना है जो भी content आपको, चाहे वो आपको copy करना हो, cut करना हो, चाहे वो आपको resize करना हो. Now again आपको rotate करना है, तो you are going to use select tool first, right? Drag the mouse pointer diagonally to define the area of selection. So with the help of mouse only, you need to drag the mouse and you need to select an whole area of the star. Here you can see a dotted square is there. So this dotted square means what? The star is selected. Okay, click on the rotate button to rotate the image right left by 90 or 180 degree or flip horizontal or vertical. So this is how you have the options to rotate the shape. So on your choice, you want to rotate them rightward side or leftward side, or you want to flip them vertical or horizontal. Okay, so this is how you can rotate the shapes in MS Paint. Next, we have learned how many things, right? Many features of MS Paint. Now the question is how to exit the MS Paint. Okay, so let's learn the how to exiting MS Paint. We have learned in class 3 how to save a file after you have finished drawing and coloring. It is good habit to always save your file. Everyone knows that, as I told you, whenever you are done with your work, or whenever you have finished with your work, or you want to take some rest, before leaving the computer, you should save your things, whatever you have done on your computer, whether you are doing drawing or you are typing any documents. So it's a good habit to save your documents, save your files. Click on the save or save as options in the file menu and save your drawing in the required folder. When we finish working with MS Paint, we must close it. So first thing, when we are done with our work, we need to save the file. Okay, that we all know that save option is there in the file menu. Okay, in the file menu we have option save or save as. So you need to choose and require desire place where you want to save. You want to save in your drives, or you want to save them in a desktop. So after that, you have saved the documents, you have saved the file, then you need to close the application. You need to exit the application whichever you are using. So here we are using MS Paint. So after you are done with your work, you are going to save the work and you are going to close the application of MS Paint. So now let's learn how to exit the MS Paint. Click on the file menu. First thing, you are going to click on file menu, then click on the exit command. फाइल में जाके आपको एग्जिट पे क्लिक करना है. इफ ऑल द चेंजेस मेड टू द फाइल आर सेव्ड, MS Paint is closed. Otherwise, it displays a warning dialog box which prompts you to save the changes. So अगर आपने ऑलरेडी जो भी चेंजेस किए हैं वो सब सेव किए होंगे, if you have saved everything, so it directly closed. And if you have done some changes and you have not saved the changes into MS Paint, so it will shows in a dialog box, a warning dialog box, that you want to save the changes or not. You will have the option yes or no. So if you want to do the save the changes, you will click on yes, or if you don't want to save the changes, you will click on no. Once you have select the option, again it will directly closed. Click on the yes button to save the changes and exit MS Paint. If you, as I told you, if you want to save the changes, you will click on yes. If not, you will say no. Another one option is we can also exit the application by clicking on the close button on the top right corner of the application window. So we all know we have the three buttons in the right hand side corner, in the top corner, that is minimize, maximize and close button. So from that button also you can close the window directly. You can see here these three buttons are there. With the help of this red button you can close the window. So this is how we have done with our lesson. We have learned many features, many tools of MS Paint. I hope you all have understood. If you have any kind of query or doubt, you can call me or message me. I will send this question and answers on your WhatsApp. Kindly note it down in your computer notebook and send me on my personal number. From next week, we are going to start with the revision. So kindly learn the question and answers, fill in the blanks from first lesson to fourth lesson. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.